What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install this right here. It's a license plate holder slash bracket. It's called Stow and Show. It's pretty cool because I can literally remove it and put it back in very quick and easy. Like, let's say I'm taking pictures for Instagram, I pop it out, or when I'm going to the track to race, I pop it out also. And when I'm on the road and I don't want any legal trouble, as you guys know, man, you know what I mean, I don't want no cop issues, I put it back on before I go back to the road. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install this very quick. Should take me about 5 minutes, but stay tuned and enjoy the video. So guys, I'm gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm gonna need a 1/4 inch ratchet. I'm gonna need a T20 Torx bit, 7mm socket and 10mm socket. And this is also the hardware that it comes with the bracket right here. So it has the spacer and the long screw, that's the main one. And then it also has this shorter screw. This one can pretty much drill itself if you push it hard enough into the plastic. But so this is the bracket. I already installed my license plate on it. So the spacer is gonna go on the top side and it's gonna go on the front hole. So the front hole is smaller than the back hole. So the front hole is for the long screw, just like this. And the big screw is for the back hole, just like that. So that's how it's gonna go in the car. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys where you're gonna put this at. So over here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 screws right here on this rear cover right here. Not rear, on this front cover. So we're gonna use the middle one right here, so it's perfectly centered. So to remove that, you're gonna grab your 7mm socket and start loosening that up. We're basically gonna use this hole already, so we only need to make another extra one. We're gonna use the spacer on the top side, and we're gonna start screwing this in. So this long screw is the one that uses the T20 Torx bit. So you can already start it with your hand like this, and just make sure it's straight before you make the other hole for the second one on the back. All right guys, so as you can see, I've already tightened the front screw with a T20 Torx bit like that, and then I just centered it so that it goes back evenly, and then I made the other hole. I didn't use any drill. Like I said, this plastic is pretty soft already, so I just literally pushed the screw hard really in. At the same time I was tightening it, and it went right in. So I'm gonna tighten everything up. All right, and then I'm gonna tighten my T20 Torx bit. I'm gonna make sure it's tight one more time. All right, just like that, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to quickly remove it and put it back in. So you gotta pull this tab, push it in, and then make sure it clicks in there like that, and boom, that's it. It's pretty quick to remove it. I pull that pin and boom, look at that, real nice and easy. And then to just put it back in, also before I put it back in, I forgot to show you guys, the hardware also comes with 2 screws and 2 nuts for the license plate itself. And I did get this from lmr.com. If you guys want to buy this for yourself, you have to pick the specific vehicle because the length of this varies. For example, if you have a performance pack, your lip is going to be this long. So the one you have to buy is for the performance pack one with a longer bracket. And then to put it back in, just easy, guys.
And the locks in there, right?
Clicks in there, locks in there, you're good to go. And now I'm not gonna get pulled over for anything stupid, you know?
Hey sir, step out the car.
No, I don't want none of that. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Short and sweet. Just a quick installation of the license plate bracket right there. And I gotta tell you guys, I feel much better driving around now, because that's one less reason for the police to pull me over. I'm sure they can still pull me over for like the sound, or if they see my slicks, you know, when it's raining. I'm sure they can pull me over for that. If the cop knows what those are, for sure they can do it. But now, one less reason. I'm finally legal right there. As you guys can see, license plate is official. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys want to buy your own, I got it from lmr.com. Just pick your Mustang year, and that will change the height of it or the length of it because of the different splitters. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.